Hello, dear traders, I'm Kate Nidachina and you are on ИнстаФорекс TV channel where you can learn about the latest financial market news. Market participants have been monitoring developments taking place in Europe for several weeks, including the situation in Athens. Today, Greek banks reopened after the 3 weeks of being closed. Besides, Monday is the deadline for Greece to repay €3.5 billion to the ECB, in addition to an overdue €2 billion loan, which Greeks still have to pay off to the IMF. Reliable sources informed Bloomberg that Greece had prepared to repay in order on an installment of about €6.8 billion to its creditors. Besides, some light was shed on the Greek exit from the Eurozone. German Chancellor Angela Merkel told in her interview to the ARD channel that such an opportunity was considered, however an opposite decision was made. She added that she does not see any reasons to keep on discussing this subject.
Investors are focused on macroeconomic data after the Greek crisis has receded into the background, especially taking into account that the Eurozone has been recently delivering statistics which is far inferior to figures from the United States. The rate of deflation in the Eurozone concerned investors, resulting in massive euro sell-offs. The US dollar is heavily overbought now, enabling us to expect a marginal correction to the level of 1.09, which is likely to take place during today's trading session. In the midterm, the greenback will continue strengthening, so the euro is likely to depreciate to the level of 1.07 by the end of the week.
The German Producer Price Index was published today. The National Statistics Office unveiled data on a contraction of the indicator. Thus, the largest European economy delivered producer prices falling by 0.1% in June compared to readings published May, and by 1.4% against the same period of the previous year. The current dynamic indicates that producer prices have no positive impact on consumer prices. This is the reason why European monetary authorities will have to protect the economy from deflationary pressure, which is likely to affect the single European currency as well. It was ИнстаФорекс News and me, Kate Nidachina. See you tomorrow.